Zaxe Z Series is designed for perfect, problem-free, and high-quality prints. Z Series has a more advanced follow-up of our X Series products, consisting of Z1 and Z1 Plus for larger volume products. While Z1 has 20 by 20 by 20 centimeters print area, Z1 Plus series has 30 by 30 by 30 centimeters wide print area. Let's check the unique properties of Z Series. Redesigned extruder system is developed completely from metal. In this way, we made the printer compatible with various industrial materials, including ABS, ASA, and nylon. Also, we have prevented many printing problems, including blockage, failure to melt the material, and low-quality print with a metal printing nozzle. We have isolated this unique print chamber from the entire production environment for problem-free operation. With our heat-controlled printing area, you will always achieve the perfect result and the same printing quality, independent of the external environment, even with industrial materials. With our redesigned mechanical system, we have presented easy maintenance, highly repeatable, ultra-sensitive, and long-lasting design. Now your prints are as you expect them to be. With our new generation NFC Plus filament recognition system, Zaxe filaments now have various information such as production date, remaining filament amount, consumption period, and color. With an automatic filament recognition system, you can load your filament to your device without any additional process. Zaxe filaments are automatically recognized in Z Series, and you can access to all information about your filament. Our email notification system operates in the background so that your printing job will never be interrupted. When your filament is finished, Z Series will automatically notify you. This perfect notification system is always by your side with your device. We have redesigned the entire interface, and our device evolved to an easy-to-use and chic level. Now you can see the printing model on your device screen and access different information about printing status. If you want to accelerate your prints, or your current print is about to end, you can complete your prints up to 30% faster with Boost Mode property. No more waiting. Z Series will calculate all variables for you, and this series will always give you the perfect result. All you need to do is click on Boost Mode property. Power cuts are the greatest barrier to problem-free manufacturing. Therefore, we have added a power cut property to the new Z Series. When there is a power cut, Z Series will automatically record where the print stopped. When you get the power back, printing will continue where it left off. Perfect! With the camera property of Z Series, this device will take the photograph of your print and send to you via email. You have all the control with a unique notification system developed for getting all the detailed information about your device and print. Now, your device is closer than ever. 32-bit 120 MHz unique X-board motherboard is behind all these properties. You will have more than you want with a strong processor, TMC 2660 stepper drivers. A Carbon Plus HEPA filter on the Z Series captures all particles during printing and provides an odorless and harmless printing experience. You can safely use the Z Series even when you use industrial materials. We have always believed in ease of use and simple devices. For this reason, we have carried ease of use to the next level in Z Series, because beginnings are always important. Zaxe X Desktop has a clean, simple, and chic interface and continues to offer a unique experience in ease of use. You can have your print in just 3 steps. With a changeable printing nozzle, you can manufacture all the details you want with 0.2, 0.4, and 0.6mm nozzle. If you want perfect detail, you can use the 0.2mm nozzle. If you are in a hurry and need a fast prototype, you can use the 0.6mm nozzle and have your desired results. Accessibility is always important. Z Series enables a flexible printing with USB, Ethernet, and perfect X Wi-Fi infrastructure. You can upload your print to your device with USB. Also, when the printing starts, you can eject your USB drive. Zaxe internal memory will store up to 20 prints. When you want to reprint a model, all you need to do is select among the latest prints and reprint the model. With all these properties, Z Series and X Desktop are renewed just for you. We believe that the world is developing with producing individuals. For this reason, we are manufacturing for producing people. We are developing to help you produce. Zaxe.